Hi folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L+. Stock number on this is 28313T. There's the fog lamps. It is a red in color. I believe this is the velvet red. Tires for you. All power windows, doors, seats, leather seats as well. Console for you, cup holders, you got navigation, Sirius XM radio, touch screen, you got your cruise control here, your menu for your up here. That's for your phone. Your radio controls are on the back for the volume and change the stations. This thing's nice. You got stow and go seating here in the back, so the seats go into the floor, same as the very back. For the kids for the rear entertainment, both seats. Got HDMI, USB for your headphones. Your backup camera's right there. Little side storage here and there. You got storage back here. Your seats can flip down as well. Really nice van. Great for traveling, or if you have a family, or if you just like a van. Again, folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Looking at 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L+. Stock number again is 28313T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.